With just 2 ingredients, you can clean your mattress and make it look like new. Mattress cleaning companies don't want you to know this. That's right, everyone, and the tip is actually quite simple. First, take a container and then add hydrogen peroxide volume 10. This is an extremely cheap product and very easy to find at any drugstore. So let's go ahead and add this entire small bottle to the container. Okay, now we're also gonna use baking soda, a well-known product by housewives, which has different uses. And here, we're gonna add only 2 tablespoons of baking soda. So here goes 1 and 2. Then just mix everything very well. And well folks, here our mixture is ready. Now we're gonna need a container. I'm gonna use the sauce bottle, but you can use the spray bottle if you prefer. Doing this will make application much easier. So let's go ahead and put our entire mixture in the container. And now just close it and it's ready to use. Okay, now let's get to the mattress and I'll show you how we're gonna use this. So folks, this is my mattress. And apparently, as you can see, it's not dirty. However, what we want to remove here is that dirt we can't see, the infamous dust mites. That's why you often start sneezing, having allergies, or itchiness and don't even know why. It's because of this dirt, these dust mites. But also, if your mattress is stained, you can also apply this mixture, because this is also going to remove the stain. And it's very simple. Take your mixture and then go ahead and shake it very well. And pour it on the mattress. No need to pour too much. Just a small amount. Now take a clean rag and then just go ahead and scrub it very well. And look at this, folks. Just a short time scrubbing and see all these dust mites I've already removed? Well folks, I've already finished here and check this out. Look at how much dirt we were able to remove from the mattress. All of that we would end up breathing. So make sure to clean your mattress at least once a month because this will definitely help you a lot. And as I said before, if you have any stains like coffee or something you spilled on the mattress, this can also help you remove it. So that's it. I hope you like it. Try this tip at home because I'm sure you're definitely gonna like the results.